Cooking doesn't have to be stressful, especially when you've got the right tools. From slicing like a pro to organizing like a chef, these 25 kitchen gadgets are pure game changers. Whether you're a beginner or a culinary wizard, get ready to meet your new kitchen BFFs. Let's dive in. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? This manual adjustable jar opener is your new kitchen hero. Designed to grip and twist with ease, it opens jars of all sizes. No more hand strain, just effortless convenience. Tired of messy cereal boxes and stale snacks? Meet the rotating cereal dispenser, the sleek, space-saving solution your kitchen needs. With a simple twist, you can pour just the right amount of cereal, nuts, or grains while keeping everything fresh and organized. It's fun, functional, and a total game changer for breakfast lovers. Start your mornings with a touch of creativity using this egg mold shaper. Whether you're making heart-shaped eggs for a loved one or fun shapes for the kids, this handy tool turns ordinary breakfasts into Instagram-worthy meals. Made from non-stick, heat-resistant silicone, it's easy to use and even easier to clean. Say goodbye to boring breakfasts and hello to fun, perfectly shaped eggs every time. Maximize your kitchen space with this over-the-sink dish drying rack, the ultimate multitasker for busy kitchens, designed to fit right above your sink. It keeps your dishes, utensils, and even cutting boards neatly organized while allowing water to drip directly into the sink. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and soggy towels. With a sleek stainless steel design and adjustable frame, it's not just practical, it's a total game changer for modern kitchen efficiency and style. Say goodbye to messy garlic chopping with this stainless steel garlic crusher. Effortlessly crush cloves in seconds while keeping your hands odor-free. Its ergonomic design and rust-resistant build make it a must-have for every kitchen. Quick, clean, and efficient, Garlic Prep just got an upgrade. Transform your cluttered cabinets into a model of organization with this expandable cabinet shelf. Designed to adjust to your space, it instantly doubles your storage by creating an additional level for plates, cups, spices, and more. Made from durable materials with a sleek finish, it's both stylish and functional. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, or even bathrooms. This shelf is the smart solution to maximize space and minimize mess. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with this kitchen sink drain basket, perfect for catching food scraps and rinsing fruits or veggies. Its fine mesh design prevents blockages while allowing water to flow freely. Easy to install and remove, it's a must-have for any modern kitchen, making cleanup quicker, tidier, and way more efficient. Crack eggs like a pro with this egg cracker tool. No mess, no fuss. Whether you're making breakfast or baking up a storm, this handy gadget ensures a perfect crack every time. Just place the egg, press, and voila! Cleanly separated shells without any drips or broken yolks. It's ideal for kids, seniors, or anyone who wants quick, easy, and shell-free egg prep in seconds. Declutter your space with these self-adhesive hanging holder hooks, the perfect blend of convenience and strength. No drilling, no tools, just peel and stick for instant organization. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, closets, or entryways. They securely hold utensils, towels, keys, and more. Sleek, durable, and waterproof. They're your go-to solution for maximizing vertical space effortlessly. Add a pinch of fun and functionality to your kitchen with this crab-shaped silicone utensil rest, designed to hold your spoons, spatulas, or tongs without the mess. It's heat-resistant, non-slip, and adorable. Say goodbye to countertop spills and hello to quirky kitchen charm. Make corn prep quick and easy with this corn peeler. Designed for efficiency, it strips kernels cleanly from the cob in seconds without the mess. The ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while the sharp stainless steel blade delivers smooth, safe peeling. Perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes. Keep your kitchen sink neat and organized with this sponge holder. Designed to drain water quickly, it keeps your sponge dry and bacteria-free. Its compact, rust-resistant design fits most sinks and ensures easy access. A clutter-free sink is just a holder away. Make perfect crepes every time with this electric crepe maker, featuring a non-stick surface for easy flipping and quick cleanup. It heats evenly for consistent results. The adjustable temperature control lets you customize cooking for crepes, pancakes, and more. Compact and easy to use, it's a great addition to any kitchen for delicious homemade treats. Add a fun twist to your meals with this Crinkle Wavy chopper, perfect for slicing vegetables, potatoes, or fruits into decorative wavy cuts. It's easy to grip and use. The sharp stainless steel blade ensures clean cuts, making food prep quick, safe, and stylish. The manual double-head dumpling maker lets you prepare 2 dumplings at once with speed and ease. Its user-friendly design ensures perfectly shaped dumplings every time. Just fill, press, and seal. Made from durable, food-grade material, it's perfect for family meals or parties. A must-have tool for any dumpling lover. This self-adhesive, heat-resistant aluminum foil is perfect for keeping your kitchen clean and protected. Oil-proof and waterproof, it sticks easily to surfaces like countertops, stoves, and cabinets. Ideal for lining drawers or backsplash areas, it adds both functionality and a sleek metallic finish to your space. The multi-purpose 5-blade herb scissors make chopping herbs quick and effortless. Designed with 5 sharp stainless steel blades, they allow you to cut herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro evenly and efficiently. Perfect for garnishing or meal prep. These scissors reduce prep time and come with a cleaning comb for easy maintenance. The jalapeno core tool is designed to quickly and safely remove seeds and cores from jalapenos and other chili peppers. Its serrated edges grip and twist through the pepper, making prep fast and mess-free. Ideal for stuffing or slicing peppers with ease. The wireless fruits and vegetables cleaning brush offers a convenient and efficient way to remove dirt, pesticides, and residues from produce. With soft bristles and gentle vibration, it ensures a thorough clean without damaging the skin. Rechargeable and waterproof, this portable brush is perfect for everyday kitchen use, promoting healthier and safer food prep. The handheld round divider watermelon cutter makes slicing watermelon quick and effortless. Designed with multiple blades, it cuts even slices in one smooth motion. Its round, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the food-grade material offers safe, mess-free cutting. Perfect for summer picnics and parties. Maximize every inch of space with this slim rolling utility cart. Perfect for tight corners and narrow gaps, it glides effortlessly on smooth wheels, giving you instant storage wherever you need it. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, it keeps essentials organized, accessible, and out of the way. Smart storage made simple. Keep your food fresh longer with this portable mini vacuum sealer machine. Compact yet powerful, it seals in freshness, locks out air, and helps reduce waste. Perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or travel. It's a game changer for any kitchen. Say goodbye to freezer burn and hello to longer lasting flavor and savings. Steam smarter with this stainless steel foldable steamer basket. Designed to fit a variety of pot sizes, it easily expands and collapses for convenient use and storage. Perfect for steaming veggies, dumplings, and more. It preserves nutrients and flavor while offering a durable, rust-resistant design. A must-have for healthy, hassle-free cooking. Take precision to the next level with this digital weighing spoon scale. Perfect for measuring spices, powders, coffee, or baking ingredients. It gives accurate readings right in the spoon. With a sleek design and easy-to-read display, it's a compact must-have for every modern kitchen. Precision cooking has never been this effortless. Keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free with this collapsible hanging kitchen trash can. Designed to hang on cabinet doors or drawers, it's perfect for quick and easy disposal while you cook. The foldable design saves space when not in use, and its durable build handles all kinds of kitchen waste. Say goodbye to bending over and bulky bins. This clever trash solution makes tidying up a breeze. Tackle the toughest grime with the Carborundum sponge, your ultimate cleaning powerhouse. Made with high-density material and a durable abrasive surface, it effortlessly removes rust, grease, and burned-on messes from pots, pans, and stovetops. No need for harsh chemicals. Just add water and scrub away. Reusable, long-lasting, and tough on dirt, it's a must-have for every spotless kitchen. Make fish prep fast and mess-free with this fish scaler tool. Designed with serrated edges and an ergonomic handle, it quickly removes scales without damaging the skin. The built-in scale catcher keeps your counter clean, while the sturdy build ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're a home cook or seafood lover, this handy tool makes scaling fish easier, safer, and way more efficient. Say goodbye to oily soups and stews with the stainless steel oil separator soup ladle. This smartly designed ladle features a built-in separator that traps oil while letting only the broth pour out. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's rust-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. Perfect for healthy cooking. This ladle is a must-have for anyone who loves clean, flavorful meals without the grease. Slice perfectly every time with this egg slicer for boiled eggs. Its stainless steel wires cut smooth, even slices in seconds. Ideal for salads, sandwiches, or garnishes. Compact, easy to clean, and super handy. It's a kitchen essential for egg lovers. Keep your air fryer clean and your food perfectly crisp with air fryer parchment paper liners. These non-stick, heat-resistant liners are designed to fit snugly in your basket, preventing food from sticking and grease from building up. They promote even air circulation, so your meals cook evenly and taste amazing. No more scrubbing or messy cleanups. Just cook, lift, and toss. A must-have upgrade for effortless air frying. Tackle dust, dirt, and spills effortlessly with these microfiber cleaning cloths. Ultra soft, super absorbent, and lint-free. They're perfect for cleaning everything from kitchen counters to delicate surfaces like glass and electronics. Durable and reusable, they hold up through countless washes without losing effectiveness. Say goodbye to paper towels and hello to eco-friendly, streak-free shine. These cloths are your all-in-one solution for a sparkling clean home. Slice, shred, and spiral like a pro with this rotating vegetable slicer. Its hand crank mechanism and sharp stainless steel blades make food prep faster, safer, and way more fun. Whether you're making salads, zoodles, or stir-fry veggies, this compact tool saves time and space while delivering perfect cuts every time. A must-have for every modern kitchen. Keep your food fresh, organized, and freezer-ready with these reusable food storage freezer bags, made from durable, eco-friendly materials. These bags are perfect for storing fruits, veggies, meats, and leftovers without any leaks or spills. The airtight seal locks in freshness and prevents freezer burn, making them ideal for meal prep or on-the-go snacks. Say goodbye to single-use plastic and hello to a sustainable solution that's easy to clean, space-saving, and built to last. A smart, eco-conscious upgrade for every kitchen. Which of these gadgets will be joining your kitchen next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more clever finds, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a kitchen upgrade. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.